Impact driver and impact wrench. They are the same, right? Not really. It's easy to confuse these tools as they share some similarities, but they serve different purposes. In this video, we'll show you the differences between these tools and provide insights to help you choose the right tool. Let's get started. Overview of impact wrench. The impact wrench is an improved version of the handheld ratchet. Designed to loosen bolts and tighten nuts, it features a modified structure that allows it to be inserted into sockets. Unlike traditional ratchets that rely on manual exertion, they can be used by various sources such as compressed air, electricity, hydraulics, or batteries. This versatile power source selection offers convenience to users like us for working in different environments. One of the key characteristics of an impact wrench is its impressive torque output. It generates significantly higher torque compared to a standard ratchet. If you are someone who has to frequently work with nuts, then the impact wrench will surely be beneficial to you. Moreover, the lightweight design of the impact wrenches enhances user experience as they are easy to handle and maneuver. Overview of impact driver. Next, let's see what an impact driver is. Just think of it as a versatile power tool used for drilling holes and driving screws. When compared to the wrench, it produces a little less torque, but has a higher RPM. Additionally, they are capable of providing better rotating blows, meaning you can use them to loosen stubborn bolts with ease. Now that we have explored the individual characteristics of impact drivers and impact wrenches, let's compare these two impact tools side by side to help you understand better. Drive styles. One of the main differences between impact drivers and impact wrenches lies in their drive styles. Impact drivers utilize a 1x4-inch hex collet that accepts 1x4-inch hex shank bits. This drive system ensures a secure grip and easy bit changes. In contrast, impact wrenches typically employ a square drive to which sockets are attached. However, if you are a utility worker, there are also impact wrenches available with a 7x16-inch hex drive for specific uses. Power sources. Regarding power sources, both impact drivers and impact wrenches offer a variety of options. Cordless models are common in both categories, providing the freedom to work conveniently. Impact drivers are commonly available in 12-volt and 18 or 20-volt max versions. While tradesmen widely use cordless impact wrenches, we prefer air impact wrenches, as they are still popular in professional applications. Speed differences. Speed is another important aspect when comparing impact drivers and impact wrenches. Impact drivers generally operate at higher speeds, with the latest models reaching speeds of up to 3,600 RPM. The higher speed range makes them highly efficient for drilling and fastening applications. On the other hand, impact wrenches tend to operate at lower speeds, often falling below 2,000 RPM for cordless models. However, it's worth noting that air impact wrenches used in professional environments can achieve speeds of 8,000 RPM or higher. Now the question is, which one is the right tool for you? As you can see, both impact drivers and impact wrenches offer unique advantages for specific needs. In short, impact wrenches excel in tasks that involve loosening and tightening bolts or nuts. They deliver significantly higher torque output compared to standard ratchets. The lightweight design and precise torque provide an enjoyable user experience. Impact drivers are also versatile tools that serve a broader range of applications. With their exceptional torque output, they are ideal for drilling holes in tougher materials and driving screws with ease. The ability to deliver rotational blows allows impact drivers to handle challenging tasks effectively. In conclusion, choosing between these two types of tools actually depends on your project. Whether you require high torque for heavy-duty tasks or versatile drilling and fastening capabilities, these impact tools will enhance your productivity to a whole new level. We'd recommend you go through our video again if you still are in doubt. And if you have any questions regarding this topic, you can let us know in the comments section below. We'd be happy to help you. Okay, that was all about the differences between impact driver and impact wrench. Thanks for watching our video. And as for everything else, don't forget to like and share, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.